Hello students, today we are going to learn arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. So what are arithmetic progressions? These are basically some sequences. So for example, I'll show you, these are the natural numbers. So there's some pattern is there. What type of pattern is there? You can see that this is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. That means 1, 1 increasing. If I subtract the first term from the second, we are getting 1. If I subtract third and second term, we are getting 1. And 4 minus 3, 1. So everywhere we are getting the same difference. So this type of sequences where we are getting the same difference, they are called they are in arithmetic progression. We can take other numbers also. Suppose these odd numbers. Here also difference is 2. So we can say this one is also in arithmetic progression. Then always increasing. It is not like that. It can be decreasing also. Suppose if I write 200, then 150, 100. 50, then like these numbers also will be in arithmetic progression. Here numbers are decreasing by 50, 50, so difference is 50 minus 50 because second minus first are 50. Always when we will find out the difference, always we will do the second minus the first. First minus second we will not do. We will do second minus first. And the difference whatever we are getting, that one is called common difference. Common difference. The difference that we are getting in the numbers by subtracting the first number from the second from the third from the fourth. These are called common difference. And the general formula for nth term of AP is written as like this: an equal to a plus n minus 1 into b. This one is the general form of arithmetic progression. This is nth term of nth term of arithmetic progression, AP. So if I say A5, then what will be A plus n means 5, so 5 minus 1 will be 40. So if I write A100, so A plus 100 minus 1, 99B. It will be like this. So now we are going to start exercise 5.1 NCERT book. So question number 1 is given there. Which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? So number 1, you can see in the book. I'm not going to write the question here. So in NCERT book you can see the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So this one is an arithmetic progression is not. So you look here. So first for the first kilometer taxi fare is rupees 15. That means first is 15, and after that it is increasing by rupees 8. That means 15 plus 8 next for the next 23 rupees 23 for 2 kilometers. Again 8 increases 31. Again 8 increases 39. It will go on like this. So you can see if I subtract the first number from the second number, we will get 8, and second from the third we are getting 8. So everywhere difference is same, so it is in arithmetic progression. So we can write it is in arithmetic progression. In short, we can write AP also, arithmetic progression. And reason is what? Since common difference between the terms is equal. Between the terms are equal. So common difference is equal. Terms means what? Terms means these numbers are called as terms. In case of arithmetic mean these numbers are 15, 23, 31 and 39. These are we call as terms. The common difference between the terms are equal. So it is in arithmetic progression. So question number 2, it is given that the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So this one is in arithmetic progression or not. So this one will not be. How I'll show you. Let volume of the cylinder be V. So first V is there. So 1/4 is taken out. So 1/4 taken out means 1/4 V is taken out. So how much left now? V minus 1/4 V. That means we will get 3V by 4. That is 3/4. So first V is there. Then 3/4 V will be there. And then now remaining is this one. From here again 1/4 is taken out. 1/4 is taken out means 3/16. 3/16 is taken out. So before that 3/4 is there. Now 3/16 is taken out. LCM is 16. And you will get how much? 4 minus 3. Okay? 4 4 is 4 4 4 3 is 12. 12 minus 3. 9/16. 9/16 will be there. So 9/16 means we are getting by subtracting 9/16. So 9/16 we can write 3/4 whole square V. Then now 9/16 is there. 1/4 of that one is again taken out. That is 1/4 into 9/16, and it will be 9/64. So from 9/64 now we have to subtract 9/16 minus 9/64. That means 1/4 is taken out. So 64 LCM. So 16 4 there, 36 will be there, and this one is 9. So 16 minus and 27. That means 3/4 whole cube is it? Because 27/64. So 27 we can write as 3 cube. 64 we can write as 4 cube. So 3/4 whole cube here. So you can see if I subtract the first from the second and the second from the third, then we are not getting the same common difference. So therefore we can write it is not in AP. Why not there? Since CD means common difference is not equal. Okay, so this is question number 2. Now going to do question number 3. So the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it is cost rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent. This one will be there because first is 150 and then 50 rupees increasing, 200 again 50 increases, 250 again 50 increases, 300. That means you can see that the difference is same, common difference is same. It is increasing by rupees 50. So you can write it is in AP, and reason similar since CD is equal. CD equal. If CD equal, it is in AC. If CD is not equal, CD means common difference. If CD is not equal, then it is not in AP. So number 4, you can see the amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited to the compound interest per annum, 8% per annum. So this one compound interest formula, if I apply, you can see this one. Here 10,000 rupees given and rate of interest is given 8%. Per annum is given. Per annum given means for the first year, if I find out the amount for the first year, so first year amount will be what? 10,000 into 1 plus 8/100 to the power 1. Then second year it will increase more. If for 2 years it will be then 1 plus 8/100 power 2. That means it is increasing, but not in the same. Common difference is not same because power is increasing. So we can write it is, no need to show all this, it is not in AP since CD is not equal. How do you know that CD is not equal? Because when you subtract, after simplifying this number, if you simplify this number and from this one if you subtract this, then you will not get the same difference. So that means after that for third year if I find, then this 2 will become 3. That is more power increasing means in multiplication it is increasing, not in the addition. So subtraction will not work here. That means when you subtract you will not get the same common difference, so it is not in AP. Now let us do exercise 5.1, question number 2. So here it is given that write first four terms of AP when the first term first term is we notify as A, we denote it as A, and common difference small d are given. So A first term is given and common difference B is given, and we need to find out four terms. So I'll show you one. A equal to 10 there and B equal to also 10 there. So as we know that common difference is there, that one we have to add with the first. If the first term is given, if we add the common difference with the first term, we will get the second term, and second term we will notify as A2. So you can write A plus B. D means common difference. 10 plus 10, you are getting 20. Then A3 if you write, then A plus 2D will be there. That means A is 10. 2 into 10, 10 plus 20, it is 30. Then A4, A plus 3D will be there. That means A plus n minus 1 formula, A plus 3D. 4 there, then here 1 less. So 10 plus 3 into 10, that means 10 plus 30, it is 40, 40. This is 40. And how many terms needed? First four terms. So first term is already given. This is the first four terms. That means up to A4 only we need. So these are the terms. So we can write the four terms of AP are terms of AP are. So as a arithmetic progression we can write first one is 10, 20, 30, 40. Our first four terms are written here. So like this you can do question number 2. One more sum I'll show you from here. That is number 5. Other you can do by yourself because practice needed, and you can do also process if you know. So A is given, A2 we will find out. Formula is A plus B. A is minus 1.25, and this one addition means minus there, directly minus I can write there, so it will be minus 1.5. 50 will be there, you can write, cannot write. Then A3, this one will be A plus 2D. A is minus 1.25, and this one 2 into 0.25, that means minus 1.25 minus 1.25 minus 0.5, and it is becoming minus 1.75. And A4, this one will be A plus 3D. So A is what? Minus 1.25 plus 3 into minus 0.25. So multiplying, minus 1.25 remains same, and 325 3 is 75, minus will be there 0.75, and when you add this one you will get minus 2. So these are the four terms. So like before, you can write the finishing line. So 5.1 question number 3 going to do now. So what is given in the question, you can see, for the following APs write the first term and the common difference. So I'm showing you the first one, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, and it is going on. It is the AP is given, and it is given that already these are APs, already it is given. So first term means first one we denote by A, second is 3. And how to find out common difference? Either you subtract the first from the second or the second from the third, anything you can do. So B will be equal to, I am going to subtract the first term from the second term, that is minus 2. And you can see if you subtract the third and the second, you will get the same answer. So these are first term is 3 and common difference is B. I'll show you one more. Let on question number 3. Fraction is given 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, and 13 by 3 is given. So this is the AP. So what will be the first term? Yes, it is 1 by 3. And common difference, I'll do first, second minus first. So LCM will be there, 5 minus 1, that is 4 by 3, no cancellation. So this one will be your answer. And I'll do number 4 also. Number 4, this one is point given. So in point, similar only point there, no need to worry about that. First is 0.6 the first term, and common difference will be second minus the first. So do the subtraction and you will get the answer, that is 1.1 is your common difference. So one more step, that one I think you can do by yourself. So now going to do question number 4 of 5.1. Question 4. So here it is given that which of the following APs, if they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. So first we have to find out these are in AP or not. Whatever terms are given here, what sequence is given here, first we have to find out they are in AP or not. If they are in AP, then we have to find out which one is the common difference, that one have to write. That means D we have to write, and also we have to write 3 more terms. So first we have to find out it is in AP or not. And how to find out? You have to check it that the common difference is same or not. How we will do that? You do second minus first, that means 2 coming, then you do third minus second, 4 coming, then you do fourth minus third, you are getting it. So you can see that the CD's common difference is not same. Since common difference are not equal, so therefore it is not in AP. So if it is not there in AP, we no need to find 3 more terms. If it is there in AP, then only we will find out it is in AP or not. So now if see for number 2, 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, and it is going on. So now I'll check 5 by 2 minus 2, take LCM, 5 minus 4, it is coming half. Then 3 minus 5 by 2, take 2 LCM, 6 minus 5, yes, half coming. Then again 7 by 2 minus 3, this one also take LCM, 7 minus 6, half coming. And we can see the CD is same. Since it is in AP, directly we can write. If it is not in AP, then we will write since the common difference is same. Therefore it is in AP. And common difference is which one? Half. And you need to find out 3 more terms. So here up to which term is given. So first one is called as A, then A2, A3, A4 given. And we need to find out A5, A6 and A7. Till A7 we have to find out. If AP, it is in AP, then till A 5, 6, 7, yes, till 7 we will find out. So now I will find out A5. A5 is equal to A plus 4D. Here 5 there means here 1 less, 4 will be there. So A is what? Common, first one is 2, first term is 2. And then common difference we are getting half. Add them. 4 into 2, sorry, because 4 I am not multiplying. 4 into 1 by 2. Cancellation can be done if it is there. So we are getting 4. Then A6 we will get A plus 5D. So A means 2 only, and 5 into half. This one 2 plus 5 by 2, and if you simplify 9 by 2 you will get. And A7, this one will be A plus 6B. This one will be 2 plus 6 into half. Cancellation can be done, it is 6. So these are 3 more terms. And 3 more terms we can also find like this, that means 4th term is 7 by 2. So with this, if you add 1 by 2, you will get the next term. Then whatever term you will get, again with that one called add the common difference, you will get the next one. Like this also we can do. One more from here I'll do, which one I'll do? Question number, I'm going to do question number 5. So question number 5 is given 3 plus root 2, then 3 plus 2 root 2, and 3 plus 3 root 2, and it is going on. So 3 plus root 2 minus 3, 3 cancel, you are getting root 2. Then 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2, directly minus I am writing there. 3 cancel, 2 root 2 minus root 2. Okay, 2 root minus is there. Okay, 3 plus, yes. 2 root 2 minus root 2, then again root 2 getting, and then 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 cancel, 3 here also cancel, here also cancel, so it is also root 2. So therefore it is in AP. So 3 more terms we need. Our common difference is what? Common difference is root 2. So now I am going to show you how another way also I can do. So A4 means, A4 is already given. A5 means we can write like this also. A4 plus B also we can write. So what was in A4? A4 was 3 plus 3 root 2. 3 plus 3 root 2 and root 2 I am adding there. So 3 plus 4 root 2 is coming. A6, that means we can write A5 plus B also. A5 is how much? And now only we are getting this one. 3 plus 4 root 2. Then plus root 2, it is 3 plus 5 root 2. Then A7, A6 plus B. A6 is what? A6 is 3 plus 5 root 2. And common difference is root 2 only. So 3 plus 6 root 2. So like this also we can do. I am showing another way also. This is the another way. First how I have done, like that also can be done, like this also can be done. So both are the correct method to find out like this. 3 more terms, 4 more terms. To find out the more terms, like this we can do.